Hey, hope everybody's awesome this weekend. I apologize, I'm kind of slumming it. I got my GNR shirt on and my hat. So, my apologies, but hey, thanks for tuning in to the Saturday special. If you didn't get my notification, had a lot going in the basement, had a lot of things that just need to get fixed because I'm getting ready to put it out on the market. So if you're in the Wichita area, get ready. It's going to be an awesome, awesome house that you're in an awesome, awesome neighborhood that you could potentially own. And I'm going to release it on my Planet Cheapskate before it even hits the market. So you'll have an opportunity to purchase that before it even hits the market. So let me know about that if you're interested. But hope everybody's having an awesome and safe weekend. I know we had some tornadoes here last night. It was kind of crazy. And me and Denise were just chilling out. My dad was over helping us do some repairs, and we seen a tornado going over the top of my neighborhood. We live out in the northeast area, and it was headed northeast, kind of towards Andover, and we think we may have seen the one that touched down. So my thoughts and prayers are with everyone who was affected by the tornado. So far, I haven't heard of any casualties, but there are some injuries, and my thoughts and prayers are with all of you affected by that. Tornadoes are crazy. We have several of them this time of year. Most of them never touch the cities or the towns. They just are out in a field somewhere, and they do damage to fences, stuff like that. So, um, wanted to just pop on here and do the rate update. I know it's a day late, and I apologize for that. But I do want to do it just so you guys know what the rates are. A lot of you will be looking at open houses tomorrow, and I want you to know the rates going into that. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join us on our journey. I'd like to build this into a community where we help each other out, where it's not just me making videos, where more than me make videos, and we kind of help each other and interact with each other. I think that would be the best utilization for our community. So if you haven't yet, subscribe, join us on our journey. We're going straight to the moon, and we're going to help people through this most stressful period in our lives. A lot of us, this is going to be the largest purchase of our lives, and we can help each other out because something that you've been through, someone else is going through, or something that you're going through right now, someone else has been through, and we can guide each other through this process. When we help each other out, great things can happen. So that's my spiel. Also, I started doing a housing market update on Mondays, so I'm on track. I should be back on track this Monday to do the housing market update. Chip in. I'm not going to be bumming it. I should be in my normal clothes, and I'll have some interesting statistics that we follow on that. Because so when you're searching throughout the week, it's really good to know those statistics, and then on Fridays normally I give you the rate update, and that going into the weekend, it's really awesome stuff. Any of my realtors out there, my realtor partners in Kansas, the Wichita area, I'm going to be doing a class on May 19th. It's a Thursday. I believe the class is going to start at 10:30ish, and we're going to have donuts, we're going to have coffee, and it's going to be awesome. I'm going to teach you some tricks that I've learned on how to rank on the first page of Google. It's very, very critical to get your message out there. 97% of home buyers start their search online. So what better way to get in front of their face, uh, build that brand recognition than to be on the first page of Google? So keep a lookout on that. I'm going to make an event that you can actually go and add yourself to. Actually, I think I need to invite you, but if you're interested in that and I don't invite you, just know that you can message me and get put on the list for that. So without further ado, let's get right to these rates. Time's looking good. I think I have time for the rates and all that. um, these are not rates you can walk into the bank or a no credit union or another lender and get. These are rates that I make by making 50 of the most aggressively priced lenders, banks all over the United States compete, and I make them show us what rates they're going to give. They get really super aggressive because they know they got to compete with all these other lenders, and so they want your business, and so they show me their best that they can do. And so let's see. The rates are looking somewhat decent. They're a little bit up. FHA is a little bit down, but let me get right to them. My conventional is at 5.375 with an APR of 5.642. So that's ticked up just a tad, about an eighth of a percent. Last week, I think we were at 5.25. FHA is at 4.625 with an APR of 5.621. That is ticked down an eighth of a percent, which is a rare move in this market right now. VA, no move. It's 4.625 with an APR of 4.821. And USDA is at 4.625 with an APR of 5.064. So VA, USDA stayed pretty steady. FHA has now joined them down in the 4.625 area, with conventional ticking up about an eighth of a percent at 5.375. So those are my rates. Those are the rates I get by making 50 of the most aggressive banks compete all over the US. Show us the rates, and then I share it with you guys. So hopefully you enjoy it. Hit that subscribe button. I'm doing this every Friday, sometimes on Saturday. I think this is the first Saturday that I've done in a while, at least a year. I had to do a Saturday about a year ago when I went to Colorado, and that was like when I was just fresh, and I think I forgot. This was just, I was kind of overwhelmed. I appreciate you guys for being patient with me. Hopefully this helps you going into Sunday when you're going to look at open houses. Other than that, I hope everybody has a happy and safe weekend. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you on Monday. All right. Bye bye.